trick here is to focus on the power of 2 rather than to calculate the whole number altogether. So if we think about our rules of indices, in the first question we're just going to multiply together the 3, the 2 and the 3. Giving us 18. If we do the same trick on the next one down, it's 3 times 2 to the power 3. Well, 2 to the power 3 is 8, so if we do this we get 24 as our index. The next question has 3 squared to the power 3. So we could write that as 9 to the power 3. And if we do the same thing on the final question, we get 3 to the power 8, because 8 is 2 cubed. Now we could think of 3 to the power 8 as 3 squared to the power 4, or 9 to the power 4. And this is greater than 9 to the power 3, so it's the biggest number, and we found our answer.